Okay, welcome to the next video. And in this video, what we're going to do is in our OneNote, we're going to create this carriage stop. Whatever carriage stop is, that's what we're going to be creating. So we need to have some sort of dimensional accuracy. So you can see got some measurements here. So how do we do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. So we're going to start by creating a new document. So I'm going to come over here to the little plus signal here and go plus. I'm going to select a part design and create new. Then I'm going to select on the sketch view, and this time I'm coming down to this view here. Select that plane here. It doesn't really matter if you select this one, but this one's fine. And that's going to rotate to my view. Right, let's come down and have a look at the design. So we've got 50, 20, up 14. The measurement for here will be 20, 60, 80, minus 70, so 10. So let's see if we can just draw this out. So we start by coming down here, selecting, and I'm just going to type in, before I select, I'm just going to type in 50. And I didn't do anything else, just 50, and then it will lock it into that length. Select. What's the height? Let's go and have a look. It's going to be 14 millimeters. Great. So now I'm just typing in 14, and then that's going to snap to 14 millimeters and make sure 9 degrees and select. Across here, the next one was 20, so I type in 20, select, and then I can just go around the shape, get the alignment indicator here, bring it down here. Now, I'm getting a bit bored with typing those in, so I'm just going to sort of get the basics of that shape sort of right. So I think it sort of looks more sort of like this. I need to have that aligned to there, boom, and join it up. All right. Now you can see that when I have a closed shape, it sort of goes that nice blue color. Come back in, and I'm going to just dimension this up now. So we've got 36 and 14 is 50, so that's the height there. So I'm going to come back to my Fusion 360, and now I'm going to do a dimension. So select dimension, select, bring it out, select again, and I'm just going to type in 50. Great. Down here, this is 14, so I'm going to dimension that again. And I know that was 10, and I press enter. Now the dimension here, let's go back to the drawing. That was, let's see, 25. So select here, bring it out, type in 25. And I'm just going around the object and just dimensioning it with the dimension tool. And that's 20 and 60. So we go here, 60. That should bring the other one into 20. And the last one here should be 25. And it is. And we've got all our correct shapes. Press enter on the keyboard. And that's fine. That should be exactly what it is on the drawing. And we go finish sketch. And if it hasn't rotated the view, I've got the view cube up here. And I'm going to just select on my little house. And that's going to rotate to view on my view cube. So then I'm just going to go extrude, and I can grab this arrow now, but I've got a dimension which is the width, which is 50 mil just here. So now I'm going to type in 50. I can type in 50 negative. Negative will take it that way. Positive will take it this way. I'm just going to type in 50 and enter. And there we go. There's my drawing, all drawn to scale. So we can get dimensional accuracy just by measuring. Now, the challenge will be for you to have a look at this, and it's a combination of basically one extrusion and one cutout. So the one extrusion will be here, so you'd have to draw that, and extrude, and the one cutout is from here and down. Then the next one is a little bit more difficult because it's probably a combination of, well, it's only a combination of one extrude, which is the outside shape here, and the cutout is through there. And this one is a little bit more complicated. There's probably one extrusion, which is here, one cutout here, one cutout here, but you've got to dimension it up. All right, so let's have a go, guys, at doing 4.2 and then 4.3 and 4.4. If you get those done, then you're doing pretty good. You're ready to get stuck into the Rover project.